just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Sunday. If you look real hard, you might just find your laughing place. We're now passing over Creature Country, where Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear make their homes and have fun-filled adventures. Although this land was made for critters, human-type folks are always invited to stop in to visit a spell. We're traveling along the rivers of America and into the American frontier as it looked more than a century ago. This area is so rich with natural beauty and wildlife, you can see why the early settlers were inspired to move west. You're seeing this view just like many of them did, from the comfort of a genuine steam-powered train. When these iron horses first started crisscrossing the country in the 1800s, the time it took folks to reach the west dropped from months to a matter of days. Why, steam power not only fueled the trains, but the dreams of a whole new generation as they settled this great frontier.
We're gonna put the boat and take it.
Hey, have you ever wondered what it would be like to visit the cartoon town where Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy live? Well, it's...
$10,000. Oh, battery. Good. No way. Only about 17 minutes of tape lost off.
For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. I want to take one more look at the majestic Matterhorn Mountain and the happiest cruise that ever sailed. It's a small world. As